If you're new to card making or just want everything at your fingertips to create an adorable card, you need the Sweet Nothings Designer Card Kit by Queen & Company. Each kit includes 4 blank cards and envelopes, cupcake and strawberry shaker elements, heart shaker card, 4 pink felt flowers, 3 yards of baker's twine, 3 shaker toppings, 4 strips of assorted bling, 3 creative sheets with sentiments and punch-out elements, and a full color instruction sheet. The Sweet Nothings Designer Card Kit allows you to quickly and easily create 4 high-quality cards. To create the Have a Sweet Birthday card, grab the top fold card base. Next, add the pink striped banner piece towards the top center of the card, followed by the blue scalloped oval. Glue the cupcake wrapper die cut to the oval and top it off with the pink cupcake. Pop out the center of the shaker shape, remove the liner, and add it to the top of the cupcake. Add shaker elements to the inside. Remove the liner from the cupcake foam and add the coordinating acetate liner. Then glue the cupcake frame die cut to the top. Add foam squares to the sentiment strip and glue it below the cupcake. Finally, add twine and embellishments to your card. Easily create 4 designer cards, including birthday, get well, love, and thank you with the Sweet Nothings Designer Card Kit by Queen & Company.